Alright peeps, so this is another day on the farm. Alright, just want to make this video just to show you guys how we take care of our pigs, because we have put up some videos where some of my friends like Omar and Anne-Marie been asking, Ricky, how your pigs them so clean? What you do to them, right? But it's when you love something and you know it becomes a passion. You just have to put out your best and look your best. Yeah, so not too long, wash them, give them a bath. Alright, here what Omar, it's when them pig you wash off and thing. And some expensive baby oil me use rub them down to make them shine. And now and then me I give them pour a little amends powder upon them. Yeah man, that's how me treat them. And them happy, you know, you can look on them happy, them well fed. On Fridays, and a Friday, or most Fridays, what me do, me give them the KFC. When me buy out a iPro. Yeah man, big up iPro feed. Big up also Nutramix stuff. Yeah man. But alright, let me formally introduce the name of this farm. This is DreamWorks Pig Farm. All that we do start from a dream. Well, inspiration from God. The fish farm, the pig farm. Yeah, they are inspiration from the Most High. Yeah, because we're not lazy and trust me, we always want to do more and more just to achieve. Because the thing is in life, you know, you say if you sit down and just say nothing now go on and not try a thing, then nothing now go on. In a Jamaican terms, nothing not gonna go on for you. You have to get up, be persistent, trust God, and watch God do the work, the rest of works for you, you know. So this is it. Alright. As you can see, this bottle here is my little bottle that I pour out like J's bleach powder, bleach powder, and disinfectant, fine disinfectant.